Up here inspecting a wind damaged shingle with our roof snake. Oh, you can see right here, this one's delaminating. That's the actual damaged shingle. So now we need to do the one above it. Oh, that one's separating too. Where's the next one? Oh, that one's already separated. Where's this one? That one's starting to separate. So this one will have to get replaced because these are already damaged. Let me see, these ones. Oh, that one's damaged. So that one would have to get done. I think these ones, okay, they're right. Those are intact. So I got 3 coming up this way. Oh, hold on, and that one's coming up there. Oh, that one's up there. All right, so now this would be this. First, we have to go one more. Let's see. This one's separating here. So let's go up another course. And as I'm going, that one just popped loose there. So that's like 5. And every single one that I'm trying to work my way up this roof, the shingles keep separating. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, it's starting to go right there too. All right, so then, see here, raise this up just enough. I could get up under here to put nails in. And that one's separated. And that one's still holding. See about this one? Oh, nope, that one's separated. So there's gonna be no way to actually repair this roof. So it'd be our determination that we will need to repair it, or I mean, not repair it, replace it. We have all these hips, so we have to be able to tear off, wrap our paper 6 to 12 inches over the side. So there's no way to start and stop this roof. And we will be writing for full replacement.